Dear students, this is the paper 31 for IGCSE ICT in the year 2013 for the month of June examination. Okay, let us see. This is the paper we are doing 041731 May June. Okay, let us now see the spreadsheet questions. Okay, the spreadsheet question starts from question number 28. Okay, you are going to prepare a spreadsheet for Hot Prop Real Estate. They will use the spreadsheet to calculate their earnings from each property when it is sold. Display all the currency values in dollars with the 2 decimal place. Using the suitable software package, load the files J1331 prop CSV. Okay, here these are the supporting files, and this is J131 prop. Okay, let us use this sheet to calculate our requirements. Okay, the first condition is we need to show everything in dollars. So make all the currency columns, whatever the currency columns, into dollar. Currency, we wanted everything in dollars. Okay. In question number 29, insert a new row above row 1. Insert a new row above row 1, and in A1 enter merge cell A1 to H1 into a single column, format the text into white 18 point sans serif, right aligned background. Okay, so merge the cells and right aligned, and this is a black background and white text and 18 size and sans serif font. Okay, let us see once again. Format the text in the cell so that it is white 18 sans serif and right aligned black background. Okay, question number 32. In the left, in the header of add your name, center number and candidate number. On the right, in the header, add last version, last revision on, followed by automated date and time. Okay, here go to page setup, header and footer, and customize header, and right here Let us see. Your name, center number, and candidate number. Name, your number. Right side, last revision on. Date and time. Okay. And here in question number 33, properties 1053 and 1053 to 1056 are those advertised on the web page properties.html. For each property, enter the distance from the center bar row into the distance column of the spreadsheet. Okay, here 53 to 56. So the information is available in this HTML. Okay, so this is the HTML and this is the small house and distance. It is in the center, so the distance is in the center, so the distance is 0, and this is 16, this is 20, and this is 4. 0, 16, 20, and 4. Okay, in cell C3, enter a formula to calculate income the property company will make. The property is sold. This is $100 plus 2.5% of the price of the property. In C3 equal to 100 plus 2.5% of price. Okay. In cell E3, enter the formula to display the visiting cost. If the local taxi is used, if the distance to the property is less than 5 kilometers, $2, 5 to 15, $5, and 15 to 15 or above, $10. Okay, so here in E3 we use if function. If the distance is greater than or equal to 15, then $10. Otherwise, if D3 is greater than or equal to $5, otherwise $2. 10 5 2 10 5 2. In cell H3, enter the formula to calculate profit from the sales. This will be calculated by taking from income both the visiting cost multiplied by the number of times visited and advertising cost. Okay, here in H3, equal to the income minus the visiting cost times number of times minus the advertising cost. Apply the properties appropriate format to the cells, all the cells. Appropriate properties, dollars. In H41, okay, replicate the formula entered in step 34 to 36 in all the properties. Okay, just apply this to. Okay, in H41, enter the formula to calculate the total profit if all the properties were sold. Edit this formula so that it also round this value to the nearest whole dollar. Okay, in H41, total, we need to see this in round. And here is also another thing we can do in number of decimal places to 0. Okay. Display the contents of cell H41 so that it shows only the integer value. Okay, so now save and print the spreadsheet showing the formula. It is in landscape orientation, and the row column headings are displayed. Print only one page width. The contents of all cells are fully visible. Okay, here we need to show formula. Whenever we show formula, please adjust the and landscape orientation, and we need to fit into a single page width, and it can be any number of pages. Okay, let us see how it looks. Okay, showing formula, landscape, row and column. So we need to show row and column. So this is the row and column headings. Printout is only one page width. We did. Contents of all the pages are visible clearly. And now print. After printing, print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the printout fit in a single portrait page and all the contents are visible. Now change this into value mode. Whenever we change, we double click again. Here, page orientation portrait and converted into values. Now let us see how it looks. So this is the value and print. And update the spreadsheet with the following data: property number 53 3 times and property 55 visited 5 times. Okay, now we need to change this property number of visits. Three times and this property 5 times. 55. Then okay, our calculation answers will change. Now print another page. While we are printing, to show the evidence, we can just apply different colors in particular. So the changes we made. Okay. Now print the spreadsheet showing the value. Make sure printout fit in a single portrait page. The contents are visible. Now the income from the sale of properties was calculated in 34. Change this formula to $150 plus 2% of the price of the property. Okay, here this is the income. We need to change this into $150 plus 2% off, and now apply this to all and your total profit will change again. And print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure okay, the same conditions. Save and print your okay. Now print this again. That's it.